Welcome to Travel with Sean. I'm Sean, and today we are in Rome, Italy, and I'm going to show you how to use the metro, how to get around Rome on public transportation, to include how to get downtown from the airport without paying 60 euros for a taxi. When arriving in Rome by air, your best option for getting downtown on public transportation is Trenitalia's Leonardo Express. It's a direct train from the airport to Termini Station, which is the name of the main train station in Rome. And the ride only takes about 30 minutes. They have several ticket kiosks at the airport, or if you prefer, you can go to a ticket office. The kiosks have an option to select the language that you want displayed, including English. And the ticket agents speak enough English to sell you a ticket. If you use the kiosk, you will need to insert your physical card because these kiosks are not designed for contactless payment. Next, you'll want to take the escalator down to the trains. You go down, and then you will go back up before you're there. But just keep following the signs for the train station. Trust me, the route is well marked. After you arrive at the airport's train station, look for the signs showing the departures, or partenze in Italian, so you can learn which platform your train is or will be at. Our train is at 9:08, and you see on the second line Leonardo Express 9:08 for Roma Termini is at platform 2. To get to your platform, just scan your ticket at the gate. Since this train station services different trains, you not only want to make sure that you are on the right platform, but you also want to look for the Leonardo Express. This will be the red, white, and green train. There aren't any reserved seats, so just sit wherever you feel comfortable. When you arrive at Termini Station, you'll want to follow the signs towards the metro station. Just keep following the signs that say metro. Additionally, on the floor you will see an M marking the way to the metro. After arriving in the metro station, we're looking for the Attack ticket office. Don't worry, it's not attack, so no one will be attacking you, hopefully. but conveniently located nearby are the toilets, in case you need to use them by now. They cost 50 cents euro per use. These are self-flushing and self-cleaning toilets, so the floor may be wet when you go inside. Be aware that the toilets do not have a seat, so plan how you will meet your needs in there. When you want some toilet paper, just push this button and some will be dispensed for you. The red button is for emergency use only. When you're all done, push this black button and the doors will open up for you. After you exit and the doors close, then the toilet will wash itself. I did say earlier that the restrooms are near the Atak ticket office. Don't be discouraged if you see a line of people waiting to buy their tickets. It shouldn't take long. A single ticket costs 1.5 euros, which is good for 100 minutes, but it's only good for one use. Or you can buy a pack of 10 for 15 euros. You can also buy a 24-hour, 48-hour, or a 72-hour pass. Notice that the passes say Metrobus. That's because they're good for both the metro and the bus. The 24-hour pass will cost 7 euros. The 48-hour pass costs 12.5, and the 72-hour pass costs 18. They have plenty of kiosks outside of the ticket office if you'd prefer to do that. But you will still have to wait in line for a couple minutes anyway. After you buy your ticket, you'll want to look for partenze or departures. But what train do you look for? What station do you look for? If you look at this map, it will help you find what metro station you need and what line will take you there. It will also show you which stations you can change to a different line. The metro system in Rome is pretty simple. There's only 3 lines. There's the A, B, and C. Here we can see A and B, and they're color coded. A is red, B is blue, and C, that we don't see here, is green. They go different directions, and you can look here to see where you are looking to go. And you can compare if you want the A or the B just by looking at the different train stations. Find the train station closest to your destination, obviously. Now to continue to your platform, scan your ticket, and then you'll want to look for signs because there are signs that are color-coded for each line. They will say what line it is, and they will give the final destination in both directions. You'll have to walk down several hallways and go down a couple levels to get to the train platform for the metro. After you arrive at your station and you exit the metro train, you're looking for the sign that says Ushita. This is the exit out of the metro station. You'll see another set of tracks right away, but if you turn in between the tracks, you will see Ushita again. Then you will have to go back upstairs a couple flights in order to leave the building. Keep following the Ushita signs, and when you come to the turnstile, keep in mind that you might need to scan your ticket to get out. Each station is different. If you want to buy another pass or recharge your pass, there are kiosks near the exit, and the sign will tell you which street you will exit to. Finally, before you can leave, you have another set of stairs to climb to get out to the street. When you're out on the street and you want to find a metro station, look for the M sign and you will find the stairs to the metro. Thank you for traveling along with me. Until next time, bye bye.